While working on a recipe for a chili cook-off at work recently, I came up with this recipe. Now you may be wondering, how did chili have anything to do with chicken nuggets? It was all about the flavor profile I was trying to get into my beef. And guys, it turned out fabulous. So I figured I'd share that with you. So the first thing we'll need is some chicken. And whether you're using rotisserie chicken like I am, or you've grilled it, or you've just baked it up, it just needs to be a pre-cooked chicken. Next, you'll need cheese. Now, bagged mozzarella will work best for this recipe. But if the added ingredients in it bother you, go ahead and shred some mozzarella up fresh. Now this ingredient really makes this recipe pop. So first we'll take 1/2 cup loosely packed pepperoni and add it to our food processor, followed by 1/2 heaping cup of mozzarella cheese. Now in your food processor, make sure just to bump this. You don't want to overmix this mixture. Once you've got it looking like this, you're ready for the next step. Now put it on a plate or in a bowl and place it to the side, and we're gonna get our diced chicken. You just wanna pulse this until you reach a consistency that looks like this. Now add the chicken to a mixing bowl. Once you've added it, go ahead and add in your pepperoni and cheese mix. Mix it with your hand till you get it mixed together. Then simply continue to work it in your hands until you have a ball like this. Now in a small bowl, place something you'll rarely see me use, pork panko. Now you could use my original Parma rind cracker recipe, but this is a quick version, so we'll save that for later. Now it's time to get back out our dough ball, and you're simply just going to pinch off pieces of this. Just pinch off about the size you want for a chicken nugget, whether you want small or large. Then mold it with your hand. Now at this point, I'm not really worried about form, just getting them in the size that I want my chicken nuggets to be. Now for a quick tip. If you place your fingers in the OK sign very loosely, you can form these chicken nuggets perfectly every time. Just look at the nice form on this chicken nugget. Now go ahead and press them into your pork rind crumbs. First, cover the large areas and make sure you have good coverage like this. Then finish it off by coating the sides. And now press it into that perfect chicken nugget shape. Now if you want a little extra crisp, just take some oil and spray both sides of the chicken nugget. Give it another dip in pork panko. And then here you see the results. Now I put these in my Ninja Foodie and use the air fry option, and here are the results. For optimal crisp, let them set for a little bit, but I just had to show you the inside of this. Look at this chicken nugget. Guys, these are amazing. If you like this, I'm sure you'll like these videos. Guys, thanks so much for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next video.